Excessive exposure to noises that are too loud, too close, or experienced for too long can cause irreversible and permanent damage to hearing. Noise-induced hearing loss, or NIHL, and tinnitus, or ringing in the ears, can occur with sudden exposure to impulse noise or prolonged or repeated exposure to noise levels at or above the safe threshold level of about 85 decibels. An estimated 36 to 50 million adults in the United States report some degree of hearing loss. This number includes nearly 2 million veterans who suffer from service-connected, hearing-related disabilities. Although some cases of hearing loss are linked to medical conditions or illnesses, ototoxic medications, or congenital hearing loss, more than 10 million reported cases are attributed to NIHL. Keep in mind that NIHL can compound other types of hearing loss. It's important to be aware of potentially harmful noise sources in the workplace, home, and recreational venues. Take precautions to protect your ears from damage by using appropriate hearing protection devices, noise control measures, or avoiding venues if the volume can't be reduced or the risk can't be alleviated.